Hello friends, welcome to the unboxing and review of GoPro dual battery charger battery for HERO9 Black. So it is compatible with Hero 10 as well, not only Hero 9. So the battery for Hero 9 and Hero 10 is same. So this is by the original manufacturer. So you can see that the brand is GoPro and it is pretty well rated, as you see over here that 85% has rated it above 3 star, which is pretty impressive, right? So currently it is at 1% discount, which is around 5750, but I got it for a good deal a week back for around 5099. So it might come on sale once again, so keep an eye for it. It's a must have for a GoPro because the battery doesn't last very long, and with this you can have three batteries, one inside the camera, two charging separately. So this base is capable of charging, so you don't need your camera in order to charge your batteries, so you can charge them separately while you shoot with the third one. So here are some details about the product, and let's go ahead and check the details. So it's pretty light in weight. You can see it's just 86 gram, pretty handy. The manufacturer itself is GoPro, so it's the best part. So there are other providers like Telecine and all. They are also good. You can charge three of them at the same time, but I thought of sticking to the GoPro. The manufacturer itself, when it comes to the battery and all, I shouldn't be taking chance. There has been so many cases where the battery has caused trouble to the device, so I wanted to go with the original manufacturer over here. So you can go with this as well. So you can see that the ratings are pretty nice over here as well. So yeah, the reviews looks good from India and from abroad both. There are duplicate products as well, so be careful. Make sure you test the batteries well before your window closes, the return window closes. Make sure you check them well, and let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the same, and let's check out how it is. So here is the package which has delivered yesterday. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's cut it open, and here is the box. So this is a very good add-on for your GoPro if you're using one, and if you're traveling and all, you need extra battery, right? You cannot shoot all day with a single battery. So this one comes with a dual battery charger and a single battery. So one battery you get with the device itself, the other battery and the charger is here. A very simple yet a very useful thing. If you're going out for the whole day and you do not have the provision to charge it, then I highly recommend having this one. So here it is, the box inside. I'll get the leaflets out, the manuals and all. Here is the battery and here is the charger. So you don't need to use your device as the charger. You can instead use this as the charger. So in your device you can generally charge using this port over here, right? So don't need to do that. What you can do is at the end of the day you can charge both the batteries together. So you have two slots over here. So just take the batteries, just put them over here, just plug it in. So let me open the other battery. Just take it and put them over here, and you can charge them together. So this is how it looks. Very simple device, and you have the chargers. So if you are going out somewhere remote where you don't have a power supply, what you can do is you can buy a power bank and you can use it. So you can see over here that this is a USB type and this is a USB-C. So yeah, very same as your GoPro charger. So you can use that as well. So you can just plug it in and you're good to go. So this is pretty convenient for using the two GoPro battery at the same time. Very small device, and you can put it inside your bag along with the power bank so that it keeps charging. So you have a light indicator over here, so once they're charging it will be lighted on, and so it's pretty convenient to charge both of them at the same time without much hassle. very small and handy device. Once fully charged, it will change the color. You can see the indication over here that it has been fully charged, one of them. The other is still charging. So right, that's all from this video for this small device over here. Do check it out. It is out on sale for the time being. So this is the box, and in the leaflet also, I haven't gone through it. So this is the leaflet wherein you have your instruction, nothing else. So we have pretty much seen this. So you just put the batteries in place and you're good to go. In the manual you might have some FAQs. So once again, I'm not going through it. So just use the device. It's a very plain and simple and pretty useful device. So once again, thanks a lot for watching the video. Do let me know in case if you have any questions, doubt about this product over here. I'd be more than happy to help. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye, take care, and see you soon again.